Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 6 students, hello again. I am Ahmed Al-Farahati and I wish you all the best of everything. Today, inshallah, we will study Unit 4, Great Explorers, Lesson 8. Please open your class book to page 36. This page. What are the aims of this lesson? Let's check. Unit 4, Great Explorers, Lesson 8, Class Book pages 36 and 37, Activities 1, 2, 3, and 4. The aims. In this lesson, students will answer WH questions after listening and reading about the Silk Road. Put pictures in order after reading about the life of Marco Polo. And align examples of the past simple and the past continuous. Let's go to page 36 of your class book. Activity 1. Read and answer. Read about the Silk Road and answer these questions. Let's read the questions first. 1. What did the Chinese merchants send from China to Europe? 2. How long was the Silk Road? 3. Who was the first person to travel the whole length of the Silk Road? You are asked to read this, but you will listen and try to follow in your books and read while you are listening. Let's listen.
Tape script 4.14.
Not all great explorers travelled by ship. One of the oldest routes to travel by land was called the Silk Road, which went from China to Europe across mountains and deserts. People usually travelled the Silk Road by camel. Chinese merchants sent silk and spices west to Europe along this road. Gold, silver and horses were sent east to China from Europe. Until the 13th century, nobody had travelled the whole length of the Silk Road. It was about 7,000 kilometres long and very dangerous. The first person to travel the whole length of the Silk Road was an Italian called Marco Polo.
Thank you. Now you are asked to answer these questions. Take your time to answer them, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. I'll answer these questions in order to check your answers. What did the Chinese merchants send from China to Europe? If you look here, Chinese merchants sent something from China to Europe. Excellent. Silk and spices. Let me write here. Silk and spices. 2. How long was the Silk Road? This is the Silk Road. How long was it? Yes, 7,000 kilometers. Kilometers. 3. Who was the first person to travel the whole length of the Silk Road? Excellent, Marco Polo. Thank you. Let's go to activity 2. Think and read. What do you know about Marco Polo? Can you answer these questions? 1. What country did he come from? 2. What countries did he visit? 3. What great ruler did he meet? Find the information in the biography on page 37 and then check your ideas. If you want to answer these questions, you can read this biography. And also, you will listen and try to follow and read while you are listening. Let's listen.
Tape script 4.15. The life of Marco Polo. Marco Polo was born in Venice, Italy in 1254. Marco's father and uncle were merchants and travellers. Before Marco was born, they went on a long journey from Venice to China. In 1271, when Marco was only 17, his father and uncle made the journey to China again. This time they took Marco with them. The journey was long and difficult. They travelled through Iran, Afghanistan and Tibet. They climbed across the snow-covered mountains of Asia and walked through the hot, dry Gobi Desert. The journey was also dangerous. While they were climbing through the mountains of Asia, bandits attacked them. Finally, in 1275, they reached Peking in China. Marco Polo met Kublai Khan, the Emperor of China. The Emperor liked Marco Polo and asked him to stay in China and work for him. Marco Polo travelled all over China for the Emperor. While he was travelling in China, he saw many amazing things. He saw water clocks and fireworks and gunpowder. He also saw the Great Wall of China. In 1295, after nearly 20 years in China, Marco Polo finally returned home to Venice. He returned with many diamonds, rubies and other jewels. He was very rich. 3 years after Marco Polo returned to Italy, there was a war between Venice and Genoa. During this time he became a prisoner. While he was waiting in prison, he wrote a book about his adventures. He called it The Description of the World. It soon became one of the most famous books in Europe. The book was so full of amazing things that many people thought it was not true. Marco Polo left prison after a few months and went back to Venice. He lived there until he died in 1324.
Thank you for listening and reading. Now try to answer these questions. Take your time to find the answers, then come back to check. Hello again. I write the answers in order to check yours. What country did he come from? Yes, Italy. What countries did he visit? I will write the answer here. He visited Iran, Afghanistan, Tibet, and China. 3. What great ruler did he meet? He met Kublai Khan, the Emperor of China. Yes, I will write here. 3. Kublai Khan, the Emperor of China. Thank you. Activity 3. Read and order. Look at the pictures about Marco Polo's life. Put them in order. Now you are asked to put these pictures in order. Here we have 1, 2, 3 pictures, and here we have 4, 5, 6, another 3 pictures. Take your time to put the pictures in order, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. I will put the pictures in order to check your answers. Picture 5 is number 1. Picture 3 is number 2. Picture 2 is number 3. Picture 4 is number 4. Yes, this one. Picture 1 is number 5. And picture 6 is number 6. You can read the life of Marco Polo again and again. This is a biography. Inshallah, in the next lesson we will know more about biographies. Let's look at activity 4. Read and underline. Now read Marco Polo's biography again and underline all the examples of the past simple with a straight line like this, and the examples of the past continuous with a wavy line like this line. You are asked here to read the biography again and underline the examples of the past simple with a straight line and the examples of the past continuous with a wavy line. Take your time to do the task, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. Thank you for doing the task. Let me show you the answer in order to check yours. If you look here, you will find that all the examples of the past simple are underlined with a straight line, and all the examples of the past continuous are underlined with a wavy line. You can read the life of Marco Polo again and again, and you can listen to it. By this we've achieved the aims of this lesson. Thank you for following me. Goodbye.